Well, hello, my name is Francisco Yus. I am a teacher of this subject called Linguistics Applied to English and Spanish for specific purposes, together with the teacher from the Spanish department, Larissa Timofeva. And we have this subject with a specific and explicit aim to provide students with a number of theories and linguistic models that can be used for tools of research and on language for specific purposes, but with a special emphasis, especially on the role of context, on the role of use, how specialized discourses are interpreted and produced in context. That's why we put a special emphasis on pragmalinguistics, sociopragmatics, text linguistics, discourse analysis, conversation analysis, relevance theory, cyberpragmatics, which is actually interesting because we also analyze, for example, websites and specific language portals to see how they are actually used, and also politeness theory and intercultural pragmatics. There's a number of competencies involved in this subject, some of which are listed in the PowerPoint. For example, to know how to apply the main linguistic perspectives, theories, techniques, and analysis, models in the field of research on linguistics applied to English for specific purposes, also in Spanish for specific purposes. Also, we have to be able to decipher the main problems of linguistic processing, ambiguity, and linguistic divergences between languages, the generation of natural or genuine texts, and also be able to control the idiosyncratic subtleties and cultural social differences that are essential to interpersonal relationships and in the specific context of academic and professional genres and uses. For example, norms of politeness, nonverbal communication, cultural values, etc. And finally, also students should be able to use the communicative and discursive techniques common to the most common specialized discourses, and which serve to achieve different communicative purposes. For example, argument techniques, presentation description, narrative explanation, etc. And be able to analyze the discourses constructed using specialized languages in English and Spanish, and establish their qualities, their deficiencies, according to the parameter studies from different linguistic perspectives. Also, competencies include to apply linguistic knowledge to researching some aspect related to specialized languages, and the same in English and Spanish concerning specifically ICT, technology, etc. The methodology is a combination of theoretical lessons, which are inputs by the teachers, but without an interactive aim and intention to have students arranged in groups and presenting doubts in class, etc. We also have seminars of a theoretical, practical quality. And finally, we have practice and field work by students. Normally, they have to do some research on, for example, the comparison of the usability of some web pages, and then provide students with a PowerPoint presentation in class. The syllabus is really long. It includes analysis of linguistic paradigms, text linguistics, the role of context in communication, the cooperative principle by Grice, relevance theory by Sperber and Wilson, also politeness theory, conversation analysis, speak check theory. We also have a lesson on the delimitation differences and similarities between oral and written professional genres. Also the specific quality of nonverbal communication in specialized discourses. And then we have evaluation, in which we have a combination of different areas to be evaluated. We have, on the one hand, individual participation by the student. Then we have group or teamwork, oral presentations, self-evaluation, and then the most important one, which is the portfolio, individual research and practice. Okay, and As you can see in the PowerPoint, there's a number of professional outcomes, professional ways to exploit the knowledge acquired in this subject, including advisor on contextualizing quality of documents, activity writer, specialized firm analyst, business language advisor, etc. We also have project coordinators, language analyst, research assistant for medical research, translator, underwriter for integrated managed care consortium, web language, etc. So there's a whole number of issues that can be used in the future for for the knowledge acquired in this subject. So that's it.